Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. Welcome to SMC Hotel. How can I help you?
Yes, we would like to stay at your hotel, please.
Do you have any reservation before?
No, we don't have any.
Alright, ma'am. Our hotel has standard room and superior room and deluxe room. Which one do you like?
The superior one.
May I know your name?
My name is Jonathan Cooper.
And Natalie Cooper.
For how many person and for how long will you stay in our hotel?
For 2 persons only and for a week.
One moment, ma'am and sir. Let me check it first. You can get the free Wi-Fi, ma'am, in the room for whole day. And also have free access in Netflix and free use of infinite code and Gmail.
Okay, I would like to ask how much would be the rate of that time?
The rate is 11 days, sir, and for a week, it also includes breaks.
Okay, we will take it.
Okay, ma'am. What type of payment do you prefer, sir?
Do you have a card?
Yes. Can I have your ID and card?
Sure, wait on. Here's the card and this is your
Okay, ma'am, sir. Our hotel have regulation that you can get room deposit and payment deposit for 2 times for room rate. So you have to deposit at least 22,000 per month. Can we sign in here? Thank you.
Oh, we have
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, sir, can you do the reservation for the 2 viewers or decorers for you? So here's your ID card. Okay, card to you. You have a free breakfast in our dwelling from 7 a.m. until 9.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am and sir. Have a nice day with us at SMC Hotel. And if you have questions, don't hesitate to call us. Thank you. Our staff will assist you to your room. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sir, can I have your ticket? This way, please.